Guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So before I get started with today's video, I just want to start off by saying Ramadan Mubarak to everyone who is celebrating. I hope you all have an amazing and blessed month, inshallah. In addition, I really wanted to point out that my channel has hit 5,000 subscribers, which is amazing, and that's all thanks to you guys. So I really wanted to mention that and thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart for supporting me and subscribing and liking and commenting. I really do appreciate each and every single one of you so much. It means the entire world to me, so thank you guys so much. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a full face of nothing new. I really wanted to take it back and use products that have been around for quite some time now, and I wanted to create a really nice soft glam neutral look for you guys, a really nice wearable look. So that's what I did in today's video. So if you guys are interested in knowing what products I used today, and if you're interested in knowing how to create this makeup look, then make sure to keep on watching. Alright you guys, so just to save time in the video, I already went ahead and I got my foundation done. So for foundation today, I went ahead in with the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I absolutely love this foundation. It's such a beautiful medium to full coverage foundation. It has such a beautiful finish, you guys, such a natural finish. Whenever I wear this foundation, I get so many compliments. It's crazy. So I absolutely love this, and I honestly forgot about it, so I'm really excited to be using it again. And I'm in the shade Natural Beige. So now I'm going to go ahead and jump right into the eyes. I'm going in with some of my Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer, and I'm just going to prime my lids. Just going to go in with my beauty blender and blend this all out. So now I'm just going in with some setting powder. This is the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. I'm just setting my lids in place. So for today's full face of nothing new, I really wanted to jump into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. I'm super excited to be jumping into this. This is such a beautiful palette, you guys, and has such amazing neutrals, and that's the look that I'm trying to go for today. So I'm super excited. So I'm going to start off by grabbing the shade Burnt Orange, taking this color on a big fluffy brush, and I'm just going to start blending it out onto the outer corners of my eyes, just really smoking it out right there. And then I'm also going to start putting that color into the crease as well. Next, I'm grabbing the shade Sienna, and I'm grabbing this shade on a separate blending brush. This is the Morphe M441, and I'm just going to concentrate this on the outer corners of my eyes, just to add a little bit more dimension. Next, I'm going in with the shade Orange Soda, and taking this color on a flat brush, I'm just going to apply this onto the inner portion of the lid. And the brush I'm using is the Morphe M124. So now I'm just going back in with Burnt Orange, which was the very first shade, and I'm just making sure that there are no harsh lines. And I'm also just trying to create a nice outer V with that color, which is gonna help me get that nice cat eye effect. Alright you guys, so I want to take a break from the eyes and work on the face a little bit, and then I'll go back in and wrap up the eyes. So I'm going to go ahead and conceal. To conceal, I'm going in with the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer, and I'm in the shade Custard. And I'm just going to clean up the eyeshadow with the concealer just like that.
Ryan Little.
And to set everything in place, I'm going in with the Mercier translucent setting powder. So while everything is baking and setting in place, I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyeliner. For eyeliner, I'm going in with the Hyper Easy Brush Tip Liner by Maybelline. So that's pretty much what I want to do for eyeliner. So I'm going to quickly do the other eye off camera and then we will continue. So I'm all done with my eyeliner and I'm going to go ahead and just wipe away the translucent setting powder because it's all done setting on my face. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap up the eyes. I want to finish up with the lower lash line. So I'm going to go back in with the shade Burnt Orange, which is this shade right here. And just grabbing the shade on my Morphe E35 small flat brush, I'm just going to smoke that color out onto my entire lower lash line. I'm going back in with the Hyper Easy Brush Tip Liner, the liquid liner by Maybelline, and I'm just going to apply some eyeliner onto the lower lash line inner corners of my eyes. So I'll show you guys kind of how I like to do that. So that's pretty much it for eyeliner, and I'm gonna quickly go off camera and put on some mascara as well as some false lashes. So for falsies, I'm going in with the Kiss #1, and these are actually the Wispies. So they're a little bit different, they're a little bit more dramatic, so I really do like these. And for mascara, I'm gonna go ahead in with one of my absolute favorite drugstore mascaras, and that is the Maybelline Lash Sensational. Alright you guys, so that is pretty much it for eyes, and I'm loving this neutral soft glam look that I created. It's so cute. So I also went ahead and quickly did my brows off camera. So for brows, I went ahead in with the Ka-Brow product by Benefit, and I'm in the shade 04. This has been out for quite a while now, and I love this product so much, so that's what I used. So now I'm gonna go ahead in and start contouring the face, bronzing up the face a little bit, and to do so, I'm going in with the Hoola bronzer by Benefit. I'm also going to go ahead and contour my nose. Just going to take some setting powder and clean up the nose contour. I'm also going to clean up the face contour a little bit. So that's pretty much it for contour. Now I'm going in with some blush. For blush, I'm going in with the NYX Cocoa Blush. And you can see I'm applying this kind of higher up on this part of my cheek, and that's just gonna help lift my face. I'm just taking my brush that I use to apply setting powder, and I'm just blending out the edges so they're not so harsh. I'm also going to put some blush on the tip of my nose, just for some color. Next, I'm going in with the Becca Champagne Pop Highlight. So the very last thing I have to do is my lips. So for lip liner, I'm going in with the NYX Professional Makeup Retractable Lip Liner in Sand Beige. For lipstick, I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Matte Lipstick in the shade Staunch. Alright you guys, so that is pretty much it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys want to see more videos where I do a full face of nothing new, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up so I know you enjoyed it. And if you guys have any palettes or any products out there that you guys want me to use in a future full face of nothing new, make sure to comment down below and let me know. And also comment down below any other future video suggestions that you guys may have for me, and I'll definitely try to follow up on that. All of the products that I used today will be listed down below in the description box, so make sure you guys check that out. And if you guys haven't subscribed already, make sure you're subscribed to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. And you guys, that is pretty much it for today's video. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys!